Breaking news coming in, Samajwadi Party leader Rajpal Kashyap makes a controversial remark against the UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath's father, saying that Yogi's father's name is Avednath. Addressing a gathering in UP's Pilbhit, the SP leader was attacking the Chief Minister over the Abbajan jibe when he said that Yogi fire Abbajan like jibes as his own father's name is Avednath.
ये बताओ योगी जी के पिताजी का नाम कितने लोगों को पता है? बताओ, पता है किसी को? नहीं पता है तो गूगल में अभी डालो, मोबाइल सबके हाथ में है, कि सर्च करो इन्होंने एफिडेविट में नाम किसका लिखा है, चुनावी एफिडेविट में किसका लिखा है? पता है? पता है? अरे इनका भी पिता का नाम लिखा है अवैधनाथ। अब जिसका पिता ही अवैध हो तो वो कुछ भी कर सकता है।
पूज्य महंत स्वर्गीय अवैधनाथ जी हिंदुओं के आस्था के केंद्र गोरखनाथ मंदिर के पीठाधीश्वर रहे हैं। उनके प्रति समाजवादी पार्टी के नेता राजपाल कश्यप ने जिस ओछी और अपमानजनक शब्दों का प्रयोग किया है, उससे अखिलेश यादव का हिंदू विरोधी चेहरा, प्रभु राम विरोधी चेहरा और बहुसंख्यकों के आस्था के साथ खिलवाड़ करने का जो इतिहास रहा है समाजवादी पार्टी का, एक बार फिर सामने ला दिया है।
Breaking news on your screen, Samajwadi Party leader Rajpal Kashyap makes controversial remark against the UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath's father, saying that Yogi's father's name is Avednath. Addressing a gathering in UP's Pilbhit, the SP leader was attacking the Chief Minister over the Abbajan jibe when he said that Yogi fire Abbajan like jibes as his own father's name is Avednath. Abhishek Mishra joining us on this. Abhishek, the Samajwadi Party leader Rajpal Kashyap adding to the controversy, saying that Yogi is making these kind of jibes because of his own father's name. Talk us through the relevance of that comment, what he's trying to say, and how he's really adding fuel now to this controversy that's already been going strong over the last few days.
Well, absolutely, Abhay, and the kind of statement he has given clearly shows that what the Samajwadi Party has also come in the forefront as far as, giving names and accusing in such a way is concerned. We've earlier seen how CM Yogi Adityanath addressed the SP regime, addressing it a regime where, the ration was used to given to the people who used to go Abbajan. Then we have heard how Tikat said Chacha Jan to Owaisi, and now this time, this SP leader, he's clearly saying that, making a direct comment to CM Yogi Adityanath, saying whose father, whose guru is himself is Avednath, how can he can be a valid person? So certainly this is going to create a lot of controversy. We have seen now how the political statements which are coming are so derogatory to the point, and they are doing one-on-one attacks, and which has already started in Uttar Pradesh. So it remains to be seen how the BJP will answer to it, but so far it's quite clear that such statements are certainly fueling a lot of fire in the political scenario of the state. Yes.
Okay, so clearly adding to the political fire, and the SP here also adding its own, viewpoint and muscle to the fight. Just talk us through, what they're trying to imply, what their strategy is here, how they're trying to really intimidate perhaps the UP with some of these comments.
Well, we can certainly say that, we have witnessed specifically from past couple of days how there has been a direct, comment on the leaders. It started with a comment related to Abbajan. Then, as I told you, that there has been a lot of situations and occasions when Akhilesh Yadav was also gave a hit out at CM Yogi Adityanath and some of the BJP leaders, clearly mentioning them with their names, calling them with their names. In India Today conclave, for the first time, CM Yogi Adityanath referred, this term, Abbajan, for Mulayam Singh Yadav, and he referred to him and for Akhilesh Yadav. So this kind of statement which are coming now are giving us an indication that where the politics is going on, since the elections are just around the corner in UP, and everybody is right now on their agenda to make their political perspective and what they have to say about them. So certainly it has begun, and it remains to be seen whether it will more continue, because so far we have seen how first the comment from the BJP side and then from Ticket side, and now the SP leader now have started to comment in a direct way, this time hitting out at CM Yogi Adityanath. Yes.
All right, thank you for that.